Thanks for joining me. This lab session is entitled Set Up the Plugins Manager Lab. If you do not see an icon for plugins that looks like this, I am about to inform you what to do. This session is devoted to what is necessary to set up the plugins for JMeter. JMeter now has many plugins that increase its capabilities, especially for listeners. The easiest way to get the plugins is to install Plugins Manager. Then you will be able to install any other plugins just by clicking a checkbox. How to install the Plugins Manager? It's simple. Use the link shown now, and it is available in the lecture resource file. Download Plugins Manager, put it in the JMeter Live extension directory, and then restart JMeter. Once you restart JMeter, the options menu will show the Plugin Manager option. Selecting the Plugins Manager option will display the following window, which includes a full list of plugins that can be added to JMeter. Once you have the Plugins Manager installed, you should be able to go to the Options pull-down menu and then select Plugins Manager. Once you do that, you get a pop-up window. I'm going to collapse that a little bit so we can see it fully in the window. It doesn't size itself. There. And so what you see is a tab, one for installed plugins, one for available plugins, and one for upgrades. The upgrades will communicate to you something that needs to be installed as an upgrade to an existing plugin or new plugins. The available plugins, of course, are what plugins are available but have not yet been installed. You do not have to install all of them. You can if you intend to utilize all of them. But there are many, as you can see in this list. So I have not installed all of them, probably will not. And then you see the list of what is installed. I can scroll through that, and it's a fairly good list as well. You see all the JMeter supported plugins and many others, some from JMeter and some from others. My time has ended for this session. I thank you for yours. Join me in the next video.